Hi viewers, in this video I will share with you if you have a broken step on the stairs, how you can fix it by yourself. It was nailed down. I am using hammer to take out the wood. Wood is completely loosened. Now I am removing the wood. You might notice on the right side there are few nails left. I will show you the simple trick how to take out those nails. This nail is little bit longer. I am using another piece of wood to make a lever and then I pull it out. For outdoor, make sure to use pressure treated wood. I bought wood from Lowe's. They offer free cut, but you can get the wood from Home Depot as well. Place wood on stair stingers and it will be ready for nailed or screwed. I always prefer to use screws instead of nails. I am using 3-inch long screw to screw it down. If this video helped you to do this project by yourself, then like a video. Until the next video, goodbye.